Hi guys, this is Buick from the 12-hour shift. So we're gonna do an unboxing for the Wing Gundam Zero EW. It's a real grade version. So let me go on and unbox this one so we can check what it comes with it. Okay, so it comes with 4 plastic of runners that consist of 2 runners per plastic, so that would be like 8 runners. And then it comes with a sticker. Let me get that for you. So this is I've heard about this, and it comes, this is one of the best looking Wing Gundam Zero EW. This is perfect to be paired to my high resolution. I'll be doing an unboxing also with my Wing Gundam Zero high res EW mobile suit XXXG 00W0. This is for Bandai, so I'll be sharing some of the build that we will be doing with this one, also with the challenges, and we'll check what it will show after the build. Okay, so let's check this one for you. Okay, so let me show you the manual that comes with it. Okay, so hope you enjoy this unboxing, and stay tuned and keep posted to my channel so you can get more unboxing for Gundam. Thank you. Have a good one.